Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the issue where Windows 10 sound and audio stop working after an update, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Now in the Settings menu, go to the Privacy and Security tab on the left-hand side. On the right pane, scroll down to App Permissions and click on the microphone. Turn on the switch associated with Let Apps Access Your Microphone. The next solution is through the Registry Editor. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run field, type the command regedit and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor window. In the Registry Editor window, scroll to the path hkey_local_machine. System, Current Control Set, Control, Class. Now search for the subkey mentioned in the article, the one which begins with 4D36E96C, and expand it. Here you will find further subkeys mentioned in the article, 001, 002, 003, etc. Keep expanding these subkeys until you find the one with a further subkey, Power Settings. This should have 3 entries on the right-hand side, namely Conservation Idle Time, Performance Idle Time, and Idle Power State. Double-click on each one of these and change the values of the value data to 0. Each time, click on OK to save the settings. Reboot the system once this is done. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day.